Some of the diggers fitted with the Mini-Tilt in our fleet now have over 1,500 hours, and so far we've found the durability and the reliability of them to be very good. Hi, my name is Jed and I'm the fleet manager here at Hireways. Hireways started in 1997 in Palmerston North, and the fleet continued to expand, and we now have 4 branches in the lower North Island, in Palmerston, Wanganui, Marston and Wellington. Here at Hireways we have over 200 excavators now, and we range from 1.2 tonne right through to about 40 tonne. Most of our excavators are running the Attach2 buckets and couplers on them, and a recent addition to that has been the Mini-Tilts. Now we have around 15 of the Mini-Tilts on our 1.8 tonne category excavators, both on our Yamnas and our Kubotas. Before using the Mini-Tilt coupler in our fleet, we had a range of other brands of couplers and attachments. The main advantage we found in the Mini-Tilt was the versatility it offered our clients, and also the little bit extra reach it gave them on the smaller excavators. We find the Mini-Tilt to be at a nice price point for us in the market, and the 3-year warranty gives us peace of mind. Recently we've seen a trend in customers asking for the digger with the Mini-Tilt on it, so it's showing the demand in this category for these excavators. Yeah, so feedback from customers so far has enabled them to finish their jobs more effectively and efficiently. For customers who haven't hired an excavator with a Mini-Tilt off us before, we are confident to say they're simple and straightforward to use, and will offer the customer greater versatility on their job sites. In our workings with Attach2, we've been very impressed with the speed of both their quoting and also the team and after sales support. If anything arises, they get onto it straight away for us. Now we've been using the Mini-Tilts on our excavators for over a year, would definitely recommend this product, this coupler, to anyone in the market looking at a coupler for their excavator.